fuck away from him.
I know you have to talk to
Hey,
everybody else.
hey, you need to calm down.
He beat me. I left because he beat me.
I know you got to talk to everybody
Ma'am, you
else.
need to calm down.
Nah, because he deserves his cut.
So who called the police?
You called DSS on me 52 times.
Who called the police?
That's true.
All right. You call? All right. Were you here?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I can't talk to everybody at one time. I mean, at once, but I'm gonna talk to everybody. All right. Just wait right here. I'm gonna talk to you. Wait right here. Tell what's going on, Mr. Hudson. I don't need you cursing out here. I will take you to jail. All right.
Well, chill.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me what.
I don't know exactly everything. What happened over that way? All I know is they was fighting.
Who was fighting?
Eddie Rayner, the dude in the group. I don't care if they record me. I don't care.
Who's fighting?
That's the man. Soon you put a gun on me.
He's got the guns in the white, no shirt, no shirt.
Another man down there. Come on.
In the greenhouse, in the green shirt.
Which one?
Hat,
That's my
no
ex-wife.
shirt. They
Bring
got
my
all,
baby here.
they're not supposed to be.
Who was fighting? Who was fighting?
Eddie Rayner and the dude back there.
Hey, turn around. Put your hands like that. Turn around. Put your hands like that.
Whoa.
Why? All right. Listen.
He didn't have nothing to do with it.
I didn't do it. He's being detained right now. He's being detained right now. Turn around. Listen. Don't resist.
Articulate a crime. Articulate a crime.
Don't
Articulate a crime. What is your
rash?
What is your rash?
I'm gonna tell you.
No, you tell me now. You tell me
you have
now.
a warrant out of Indiana.
No, and you know what? You can't do anything about it. You can't come within 250 miles.
Listen. It's been changed. It's been changed. Listen, it's been changed nationwide.
All right, listen. I just got off the phone with the solicitor.
I'm gonna call it in.
You can take your hands off. This is assault. Assault and battery. Assault and battery.
I'm assaulting you.
Assault and battery.
If I'm assaulting you,
it's assault and battery.
All right. I'm asking you to turn around. Are you going to turn around?
It's assault and battery. We want a supervisor here right now. Supervisor right now. Supervisor
I'm asking you to turn around. I'm asking you to turn around.
Supervisor.
One more time.
You are on body cam.
I understand.
You are being filmed.
I'm asking.
You are making a mistake.
Your warrant has been changed nationwide.
No, it hasn't.
Your warrant has been.
No, it has not.
All right.
He did nothing wrong.
I did nothing wrong.
He did nothing wrong.
It did nothing wrong.
Don't worry, brother.
Central Bravo 2. I got one detained.
I did nothing wrong.
It's
It's a retaliation.
It's
This is a retaliation.
No,
This is
sir,
a
it's not.
retaliatory
No, sir, it's not.
arrest. Retaliatory arrest.
Sir.
Retaliatory
No,
arrest.
sir, it's not, sir.
Retaliatory.
No, sir, it's not.
Yes, it is. Retaliatory. This is retaliatory. I don't give you consent to search.
exactly why that
I'm not lawfully detained. I am not lawfully detained.
Where's your ID at, sir?
I don't have one. I don't ID. I don't ID.
I got you.
I don't ID. Hey, I'm being unlawfully detained here, Sheriff. You should have over jurisdiction. This officer right here is illegally searching me. I'm not even a part of what's going on here.
Don't step over here. Step over here, please.
Hey.
Just step over here, please, sir.
What's his name?
Sir.
What's my name? You
Sir.
don't know my name.
Mr. Washburn, step
I
over
haven't
here.
even ID'd you. That is not my name.
Sir, I'm asking you to step back. I'm asking you to
That
step
is not
back.
my name.
Sir, come over here.
That is not my name. That is not my name.
You got your
That is not my name.
All right.
That's not my name. Again, illegally
understand.
searching.
Sir, I'm
Illegally
asking you to
searching?
please. I'm asking you to please step back.
public sidewalk.
Absolutely, you're absolutely right. I'm asking you to please step back.
You know, you open yourself up for a huge lawsuit.
Just listen.
Huge. I've already listened. I've already Tom and talked with the solicitor, Bubba.
I understand.
I talked to the
I
solicitor.
understand.
And we already know the
I
deal. I got
understand.
emails from him saying they ain't coming within 250 miles.
I understand. I understand. I
You
understand.
that? So you know what you're doing. You're opening yourself up for a lawsuit.
Come over here.
No.
Sir.
I'm not detained.
Sir.
I am
Sir.
illegally
Listen,
detained
you have
right
an arrest
now.
warrant out of
I am
Indiana.
illegally detained right now.
Is that your wallet?
No, I don't have one. It's not IDing.
know
I
you-
didn't ID to
That's
this
right.
this fucking public servant. You're a fucking public servant. You're a bitch. You're a bitch. Get the fuck off me.
I'm asking you to
Get the
step back.
fuck off me. Get the fuck off me.
Don't worry, brother.
You know what the Fourth Amendment is, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Illegal search. Illegal search, baby.
Sir, I'm asking you, please step back. You are on the public
That's
sidewalk.
illegal search and
You are
seizure.
on the public
That's
sidewalk.
illegal search.
You are on the public
That's
sidewalk.
illegal search.
You are.
Illegal search. That's an illegal search. That's an illegal search. Illegal search. I love this. Hey, this is Huggins. This is Captain Huggins right here, opening himself up for a 1983 lawsuit. 242, deprivation of rights. You know that? Do you understand that, officer? Do you understand that? Do you understand
Hey,
that?
sir, can I put him in your vehicle since you have a case vehicle, please?
242, 1983.
Thank you. I
Hey,
appreciate
what's your
it.
name and badge number? What's your name and badge
He
number?
already did.
What's your name and badge number? Ortiz.
We don't have badge numbers.
Ortiz. What's your call number? Okay. Hey, can you explain why I'm getting put in the back of your car?
You're going to be transported to Baltimore County Detention Center.
For what?
You have a warrant for Indiana.
That doesn't make no difference.
And it's fully extradition and it's nationwide.
No, it's not. You're wrong. Hey, he's fucking wrong.
Sir,
Hey, go back, guard down.
I appreciate it. Have a seat, sir. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. So I had a call out here, man. Individual with a gun. As I was going down here, they flagged me down. But I ran him yesterday. That's Mr. Washburn. I don't know if you're familiar with him. But anyway, a warrant came back out of Indiana. We called first. They told me that it was nationwide. I even ran it yesterday without, the day before yesterday without dispatch. And they confirmed that it was nationwide.
You want about dispatch right now? See what
Yeah. I'm not the police information.
What's the warrant for?
Out of Indiana, I think he got like 6 of them, but I remember one of them was like possession of cocaine.
Were they fighting or something?
So I'm gonna come over there and talk to him. Just tell him to wait right there. I'm gonna come over there and talk to him.
Was the victim the old man sitting down?
Yeah, you can see that right there. You can see it right there.
Yeah. You want about dispatch?
Yeah, I'm about to do that. I'm about to do it. Central Bravo 2. 1090 name, date of birth? First name is Joshua David Washburn. Joshua David Washburn. Spelling that last name is W-A-S-H-B-U-R-N. Date of birth is 2/12/84. 2/12/84. Good copy? I'm gonna go over here and talk to him. She's rented it now. Hi. So you flagged me down first when I was coming out. Tell me what you know.
I come out my house. that
Where-
boy
where-
got
where
gun.
do- where do you
I live
live?
over there on that back road right here. I come out the house. That boy got gun. He waving gun at everybody.
What-
That's-
what-
that's
what-
as soon as I
what
seen
boy?
him. That one in that church.
You know him?
No,
You
No,
don't never seen him
No,
before.
sir.
What kind of gun and what color was it?
It's black gun. Black gun.
Black gun.
Yes, a pistol.
What's your first name? Edward. How you spell your last name? R-A-E-W-A. What's your date of birth?
3/26/83.
You willing to write a statement?
Yeah, absolutely.
He pointed it at you.
Yeah, absolutely.
You're willing to write a
Yes,
statement?
sir. Right now. And I want to straighten